Hello everyone. I will introduce you the content of user software except SOP. Click to scan barcode of outer or middle ring. The reader will scan the barcode of outer or middle ring. Click to active lease. Click to check today's added sample. Select sample and click to send results to lease. Click to recalculate sample results with new calibration. Click Search Sample. You can search sample with QVAT number. If you click Setting, System Setting, Other Setting, Preference, tick Display Error in Results in case of abnormal pipetting. When suction abnormal, the software will show you error like the picture. You can click Add Result button, select Assay here, then input result here. After those steps, you can add results that were not run by the analyzer. Finalizing this setting in Setting, System Setting, Hospital Setting, and Report Setting. You can add like this, according to your own situation. After saving the set parameters, you can preview the report. Click Statistic, Calculate button, select the date, sample, number, and assay. Then you can get the statistic of related assays. Pay attention to the value change in the upper right corner. According to these operations, you can modify or recalculate the relevant sample results. Click to define position 89 as saline position. Normal saline is used for dilution and serum index testing. Click to choose Run Auto Detection every time after initialization. You can set the remaining times manually with those steps. Define middle range sample number starting from position 88. Fill in the number 0. Will cancel the sample position you set. Put the sample rack in the position starting from 88 as shown in the video. Because we just put 3 sample racks, so here we have to fill in the number 3. Choose to run the serum index test for all the samples which will test this assay. Input absorbance limit here. To disable absorbance check, input 0 descending reaction or 3.3 ascending reaction. Input prozone check range here. To disable prozone check, input minus 3.3 descending reaction or 3.3 ascending reaction. Each calibrator will be tested for 2 times. When the difference is more than discrete check, alarm out of discrete check. To disable discrete check, input 3.3. For nonlinear method and multi-point linear method, when the difference between the absorbance calculated by approximate expression and tested absorbance is more than drift rate value, alarm drift rate check out of range. To disable, input 3.3. Calibrator 1 will be tested twice. If the mean is more than black level check value, alarm black level check out of range. To disable, input minus 3.3 to 3.3. The absorbance difference between maximum calibrator and minimum calibrators is more than sensitivity check value. Alarm sensitivity check out of range. To disable, input 0. You can set the ratio between acids according to the steps. Use acid wash for reagent cross-contamination wash. The volume should be more than R1 volume. Use acid wash for cuvette cross-contamination wash. The volume should be more than R1 plus S plus R2 volume. Sample cross-contamination information setting. The volume should be more than sample volume. In this interface, you can choose to use ISE module, auto-active ISE module, and auto-wash the pipe. After modifying, the indicator of ISE will turn to green and analyzer will start to active ISE module. Click Manual Acid to add acids which are not tested in this machine in order to print together. Then you can add the assay. In setting, system setting, experiment setting, precision setting, you can set the number of decimal places. Set according to your own situation. In this interface, you can define in which situation the system will prompt to recalibrate. In this interface, you can define in which situation the system will alarm reagent shortage and change the corresponding reagent coloring status from green to yellow. The default number of open channel number is 1. You can set your own password in this interface. If you choose block reagent, you only can add the unit, theorem index test, display number, and sampling number. Otherwise, you need to click Unlock to sign the correct agent password. Take the box to start the remaining volume detect function, and the system will pop up the reagent remaining volume scan position. Otherwise, the system will not pop up the reminder. If you do not touch the computer during your setting time, the computer will auto-hibernate. You can tick the box to block the alarm message. In this interface, you can check the reagent consumption in a certain period. Click Reset. You can initialize all the components, except tubing and pump system. Click Component Maintenance to select part of the components to initialize. Click Photoelectricity. You can do cell blank test, stability test, light intensity check. This is alarm message box.